Good morning. 6th September 2023. Today's banking financial news at a glance. FSIB recommends Vinay Tansey for MD position in SBI. Financial Services Institutions Bureau, the headhunter for directors of state-owned banks and financial institutions, on Monday recommended Vinay M. Tansey for the post of Managing Director of State Bank of India. The post fell vacant after the appointment of Swaminathan Jankirman as Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank. Tansey is currently serving as Deputy Managing Director at SBI. The country's largest lender has 4 managing directors and 1 chairman. Economic Times. YONO app fetches 100 crore rupees in fee income every quarter, says SBI chairman. YONO, the mobile app of the State Bank of India, fetches 100 crore rupees in fee income every quarter by selling products from the parent's subsidiaries, and the digital loan book will be close to 30 rupees 000 crore this fiscal, according to a top official. The nation's largest lender, which is into the 217th year of operations, launched the app in 2014. Since then, it has gone on to become such a runaway success that as much as 85% of banking transactions are done through YONO. State Bank of India Chairman Dinesh Kumar Khara said on Tuesday. He was speaking at a session at the 5th Global Fintech Summit here. Economic Times. SBI not to spin off banking app YONO into separate unit, Chairman. State Bank of India will not spin off its mobile banking app YONO into a separate unit, but would like to leverage it to create value for stakeholders, customers, employees and shareholders, said Chairman Dinesh Kumar Khara. YONO is a distribution platform for us, so we cannot think of spinning it off. But yes, of course, we will fully sweat it so that it will create exceptional value for all our stakeholders, said Khara at the Global Fintech Fest. He emphasized that SBI is mindful of niche selling, so it introduced only the commoditized products and services through the app. Business line. Indian Bank collaborates with IBM to deploy new front-end banking apps. Public sector Indian Bank has collaborated with Nasdaq-listed IBM to deploy future-ready infrastructure to enhance scalability and agility. The city-headquartered bank wanted to consolidate its front branch servers for better manageability and availability at data centers and disaster recovery centers under their Project Paradise initiative. Project Paradise initiative of Indian Bank refers to performance augmentation by resource aggregation in distributed environment. Economic Times. Pre-sanctioned credit lines on UPI will aid in accelerating transactions, UCO Bank's Ashwani Kumar. The Reserve Bank's announcement to allow banks to issue pre-sanctioned credit lines on the Unified Payments Interface system will aid in accelerating the growth in transactions, UCO Bank MD and CEO Ashwani Kumar said on Tuesday. According to the recent National Payments Corporation of India data, UPI transactions have touched 10 billion in a month, and in 18 to 24 months, it is expected to touch 20 billion. But with the RBI's announcement of a credit line available to UPI, I think days are not far that transactions will accelerate further, Kumar said while speaking in a panel discussion leveraging digital infrastructure for transformation in lending and payments at the 3-day Global Fintech Fest 2023. Economic Times. PNB introduces CBDC UPI interoperability for seamless transactions. State-owned Punjab National Bank on Tuesday announced the launch of central bank digital currency with Unified Payments Interface interoperability feature in its Digital Rupee mobile application. This move is in line with the RBI's CBDC pilot project and unleashes a new potential in India's payment ecosystem. PNB said in a statement. PNB customers can now use the PNB Digital Rupee app to scan the UPI QR code for payment to their merchants or complete a transaction at a merchant outlet, it said. Economic Times. UPI and digital trends shaping the future of credit card industry, says Parag Rao of HDFC Bank. The landscape in payments has changed over the last decade. Today there are new form factors like wallets and UPI, and the customer chooses which payment mode should be used with which instrument. The customer is one but has 4 or 5 different instruments. We should ensure that when a customer becomes ours, we have the bulk share a wallet.